Absolutely huge news coming out in the cryptocurrency industry, and we have an Ethereum ETF approval. The SEC flipped out of nowhere as of Monday, May 20th. There was really less than a 25% chance that we're going to see an ETF approved for Ethereum. Things have changed on Thursday. That approval came in, and we have 8 funds that have this soft approval going on. The approval is not going to allow these ETFs to immediately begin trading, as the SEC is going to probably need to review these applications and review the asset managers for each application. But right now, this is a soft approval. This is huge news. That process may take a few weeks to get going, but this is a huge win for the cryptocurrency and NFT industry. It's just big news overall for anybody that's been supporting this industry, which has been hoping for approval like this for such a long time. We've been wondering what the government stance is on Ethereum, what the SEC stance is on Ethereum. Now we know we're going to be able to give an opportunity to millions of Americans to invest in Ethereum through their funds. So the big question is, when are these ETFs going to start trading? Well, it's going to be a few weeks, possibly a couple months, but it's moving forward. This is, again, huge news. And in all honesty, in my personal opinion, I do think we're going to kind of chop with Ethereum for a little while until we take off to the moon. We move into an alt season, NFTs start popping off. It's going to be a wild summer. But initially here, we will see just a little bit of a lull, in my opinion, because we saw that with the Bitcoin ETF, and we're going to more likely see this with the Ethereum ETF. And I do think this took a lot of people by surprise, myself included. I did not expect an Ethereum ETF to be approved this week. I don't think a lot of people did, because there was less than a 25% chance, as I said on Monday. But it's happened. It's moved forward. This is huge news. They have the green light to make this ETF happen. And this is going to make the entire cryptocurrency industry bullish. This is going to turn us into an alt season afterwards. In addition, we're going to have huge opportunities in the world of NFTs. Another piece of huge news, the House of Representatives passed Crypto Fit 21 bill. What's that mean to us? Well, it's going to establish a team to regulate the U.S. crypto markets and set consumer protections, something we've been asking for a very long time. It's going to define responsibilities between the SEC and the CFTC as the new leading regulator in these digital assets. It's going to more clearly define whether a crypto token is a security or is it a commodity, and it's going to require all these digital asset developers to provide a disclosure and information about their projects, really similar to what we do with exchanges and brokers already. But this is a huge step for the cryptocurrency and NFT markets to see that the White House, the SEC, the CFTC sees such a huge benefit incorporating crypto as an investment vehicle. In addition to that, we're going to see some bullish times within this crypto market. I am confident once everything kind of starts to shake out and the dust settles, everyone starts to really digest this huge news of Ethereum ETFs. Now we have the Crypto Fit 21 bill that's going to pass. We're going to have more clear defined regulation, more mass public and mass media embracing the crypto story. We're going to get more bullish headlines. I do believe we're going to see a nice price surge within the next few weeks to months in the cryptocurrency industry. Definitely moving into what we call alt season, and these NFTs that we've been watching, that we've been utilizing, that we've been following these major companies and projects and communities because we love the technology and we see a path for success, are now going to have a runway to take off. In addition to that, a lot of these companies, these crypto companies that have been working within the United States under this gray area, if this is security, a commodity, are they allowed to do this? Is this even legal? Have actually left the United States and set up shop somewhere in another country. Hopefully that's going to bring more US-based crypto companies back into the fold, more NFT companies, more builders overall. This is a technology that we do not want to ignore, especially in the world of crypto and NFTs. We're going to see it more and more, and it's going to pave the way to success, I think, better than any other technology we have seen in a very, very long time. If you're part of our private community, you know how bullish we are in the world of web3s and NFTs, and of course that makes us bullish on crypto as well. So all this news is going to impact the business in a very positive way. But one thing that is still just chugging along is web3 gaming. As it's seen some bull and bear markets, rightfully so. companies are still building, companies are still incorporating this Web3 technology and NFTs into their game, and it's absolutely showing. Game NFTs rise as Guild of Guardians avatars, D-Market, and the very popular Fantasy Top have been leading sales in the NFT space. There is a space here where Web3 gaming is going to absolutely dominate and take off. I don't think that it's happening right this moment, but it is starting to gain major traction. It's something we're talking about within our private community literally every single week because we see the path for success for Web3 gaming. The gaming industry is such a huge multi-billion-dollar industry, and this gives power back to the creators and the players, and I am extremely bullish on Web3 gaming. And if you're part of our private community and you want to learn more about NFTs and Web3 and NFT gaming, the link's down below. It's $1 to join. We would love to have you join, but we're talking about this sort of alpha literally every single week. And I think with all this bullish crypto news, with Ethereum price that's more likely going to go up after these spot ETFs are officially released, we're going to see a resurgence in ETH NFTs. I think that they've touched a bottom and they're going to start taking off. So it's definitely a prime time to start evaluating major NFT and Web3 projects that can definitely pop off in this upcoming bull run.